Charge q distributed within a sphere of radius r with a volume charge density rho r equals to a by r square e raised to the power minus 2 r by a, where a and a are the constant, q is the total charge on this charge distribution, the radius r is. So we have to calculate the radius r here. So this is our sphere of radius r and thickness dr. Because rho is variable, so the approach will be again same here. We are going to consider charge on this strip and then we'll integrate it. So if I write dq here, dq will be written as 4 pi r square dr times rho. Substitute the value of dq here, so this is 4 pi r square dr and rho is basically a by r square e raised to the power minus 2 r by a. If we simplify it, we will get here 4 pi a e raised to the power minus 2 r by a times dr. So this is dq. So for q total, we simply need to integrate it. This is not a small a, this is our capital A. So I will write here 4 pi a and then e raised to the power minus 2 r by a times dr, integrating it from 0 to capital R, and we know that e raised to the power minus of ax dx integration is how much? That is e raised to the power minus ax by minus a plus c. So I will be using this result here directly. 4 pi a e raised to the power minus 2 r by a, and this is minus of 2 by a 0 to r. So if we further simplify it, then we will get q equals to 2 pi a times a with minus sign e raised to the power minus 2 r by a minus of 1. So this will become q equals to minus of 2 pi, whether I could directly write is q by 2 pi a times a equals to e raised 1 minus, because minus is there, so I can interchange e minus e raised to the power minus 2 r by a. So further I will write it here as e raised to the power minus 2 r by a, that is equals to 1 minus q divided by 2 pi a. Now we will take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we will get here minus of 2 r by a, that is equals to log of 1 minus q by 2 pi a times a. Next step is again simple. We have to just keep on going. So I can write r equals to minus of a by 2 log of 1 minus q by 2 pi a times a. Now minus is there, so log will come in denominator and this will become a by, this is a property of log, a by 2 log 1 minus q by 2 pi a times a. So we see which option is correct here. So I think the correct option is option a by 2 log, this option fourth one is the correct option.